Canyon County Cop Watch here. So we are on Highway 2026, just north of Hop Road. And there seems to be some form of major accident up on the road here.
What is it? I'm looking at a pickup truck way out in the middle of the field.
Oh, upside down.
Upside down. Where?
Yeah.
Over there, between the two power poles.
Right there.
Between two power poles.
Yeah.
Look at the police car, and then look to the north.
So we do have multi-agency on this right now. There is Sheriff, Caldwell City. I'm sure, I don't know yet, but I'm sure there's probably a Parma here too. There's also Caldwell City Fire. Yeah, way out in that field is there's a truck upside down. Ambulance went right through old man's fence, right out into that field. Canyon, yeah. Caldwell Fire. They're working to get whoever's in there out of there. All right, guys, stay safe out there. Bye now.